Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you are all doing good. And as part of Python learning series, we are learning Python basic concepts, advanced concepts, and practical scenarios. So let's get started. So today we are going to learn how to generate a QR code. So as per our agenda, so we are learning Python introduction, variables, the basic concepts like how to declare a variable, data types, conditions, loops, error handling, files, folders, web automation, and all the things. Also, we are going to learn the advanced concepts like artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, Numpy, Pandas, Matplotlib's data visualization also. So, in this series, we are going to learn few practical scenarios, something like generating a QR code, text to speech, speech to text, opening audio video files, generating OTP and validating the generated OTP, web automation, automating Outlook, Gmail, and WhatsApp, printing different shapes, symbols. So we are going to learn each and every concept with the help of Python. So uh, learning Python is very easy when compared to other programming languages. To generate a QR code, I am going to write just 2 lines of Python code, not more than that, like other programming languages. So it is very easy to learn and very interesting. So please subscribe and don't forget to click on bell icon, so that's why you'll be notified whenever I upload a new videos or series on Python. So let's get started. So first of all, we will see what are all the prerequisites for generating a QR code. So we need to install Anaconda Navigator. So Anaconda Navigator, to write a Python code, there we can find different ideas to write a Python code. So to generate a QR code, we need to install QR code modules. So in Python programming, we will be having n number of modules. So by using those predefined modules and functions and methods, we can easily write our Python code, like suppose generating a QR code or converting text to speech, speech to text, something like that, with the help of 2 to 3 lines of Python code only. So let's get started. So let me open Python Navigator, Anaconda Navigator. Now we are in Python Anaconda Navigator. So please try to download Anaconda Navigator and try to install in your machine. And once you install, this is the home page. So we are in Anaconda Navigator homepage. Here you can see different platforms to develop our Python code. So today I'm going to use PyCharm community to generate a QR code. Even you can write the code in Jupyter notebook as well. So if you are facing any issues while downloading Anaconda Navigator or installing Anaconda Navigator or navigating to PyCharm, let me know. I'll try to help you. Okay, so this is PyCharm developer editor navigator. So here what we will do, we'll try to create a new folder and we'll just write 2 lines of code to generate a QR code. So before develop our custom code, we need to install QR code. So each and every, so more Python, we have n number of modules. So based on the problem, we need to install the corresponding module. So here we need to install QR code module. So to install QR code module, need to enter pip install QR code, or you can copy this content from here. I'll just uh, I'll share this link in the description. So please go through this link and copy this thing, and you can paste it over here, or else what you can do, you can just type manually pip install QR code, that's all. So and then click on enter. So pip install QR code, the QR code module will automatically install and you can perform the QR code related module functionality. So here I have already installed QR code in my local machine. That is only the prerequisites. So let's get started. So first of all, I'll create a separate folder, uh, new directory. So let me name it as examples, and here I'll write a Python code by using Python file. I'll name it as QR code, QR code, and let me click on enter. So once and enter, it will navigate to the developer editor. So here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, something like that. So whenever if you enter, it will automatically generate lines of code like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So here what we are trying to do, we are trying to write QR code functionality. So let's get started. We have already installed QR code. We need to import QR code by using import keyword. Import QR code. Sorry, QR, and then click on enter. And so here, so if you are trying to scan any Paytm or Google Pay, so your mobile number is a unique ID. So to generate a QR code, we need one unique ID. So let me create a variable ID and me and 9999999. This is my identification number. So by using this unique identification number, what we can do, we can generate a QR code easily. So this is how we just declare a variable and we can assign a unique ID to a variable. So if you are having any issues like what is this variable and all, please let me know. I'll share the required video. So how to declare a variable, what are all the data types, tables in Python. I'm going to share another video. So please drop me a message in the comment section. I'll try to help get back to you. And then here we are trying to generate a QR. G is equal to QR code dot make. We are going to make QR code. So we will be having all different functions and methods in the QR code module itself. So here we are going to pass ID as a unique identification number to generate. And then finally I want to save this QR code in my local machine img dot save. So let me select one of the folder. So here what I'll do, I'll just create a folder to store a QR code. QR code, and let me copy this path. Sorry, I'm going to copy this QR code path from here. Let me copy and let me paste it into the PyCharm editor to store the QR. So we need to mention in double quotation. Okay, so let me mention double quotation, and also this is a forward slash. In Python, we need to provide the backward slash or double slash for this to pass the any folder path structure. So I'm to provide the forward slash and now I'll run this code to generate a QR code. Let's see. So let me click on this button and let me click on run QR code. So here we have some issue. Let's see. Here we we have only passed up to the folder structure, but here we need to provide the QR code name also. So let me provide the QR code name as qr.png. Okay, so let me save this task. Let me try to execute this code. In order to run this code, you need to click on play button, or else you can just right click and you need to execute this button. Here you can see the process finished with exist code 0. 0 means there is no errors. So let me try to open the QR code folder. Here you can see 25th or to 9:55. Just now it has generated this QR code. So let me try to open this QR code. So here I have written only 2 lines of code to generate a QR code. The prerequisites which we have imported QR code code module, and we have passed one unique identification number to generate a QR code. And here we have written two lines of code. One is to generate a QR and one is to store the QR code. That is how we can implement the Python programming functionality. When compared to other programming knowledge, it is very easy to learn. Okay, so here you can see the QR code is generated successfully. So hope you like this video. Please subscribe and don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you.